Hi, my name is Andy. I'm going to teach you how to trade with the news. First of all, what is trading with the news? What does it imply? Well, as you can see on this chart, on this candle, I'm going to show you right now, some financial news have been released and the price moved quite a lot. So I started from here and it drops about almost 1,000, more than 1,000 pips actually. What that means is, what trading the news means, it's that traders trading with the news, they try to open a trade and to enter this trade, hopefully in downtrend, and the lucky ones and the most skilled ones made a lot of money because the price moved quite a lot down following this move down. So this is basically what trading the news is. It's the process of opening a trade, either a buy or a sell during the news, the financial news release. Sometimes a little before, after that, sometimes a little after, assuming and waiting for the price to make a move in one direction and assuming and hoping it will continue to go towards that direction. Again, hopefully for a long distance, as it happens on this candle. Now, let's start first with how not to trade the news. During the news release or immediately after, as you probably know, the spread is very high. So you'll pay a lot to enter a trade after the news will start. And some traders do that. They wait for the price to go either down or up, and they enter the trade during the news, and they usually enter too late. They pay a high spread. And for example, here, after the price confirmed it will fall, it will not be so profitable. Maybe it will not even be profitable at all, depending on the spread and on where they'll close this trade. So this is how not to trade the news. Wait for the price to move. How to trade the news profitably is before the news release, 1 or 2 minutes, when the spread is still low, place a pending buy and a pending sell above and below the price, and therefore you have paid the low spread to open these trades. Now you just wait for the price to go in either one direction or the other, and as soon as the price breaks and triggers one of these trades, either the buy or the sell, simply close the opposite trade that would have been a loss and focus on the winning trade, trail it, and make money. Now, where do we find and how do we know the exact date and time of the financial news capable to move the price so much as it happened on this red candle I've been talking about right here? 100 pips, it's a lot, and fortunately for you, there are many websites on the internet. One of them is forexfactory.com. 1,000 others, Daily FX, Baby Pip, nothing else comes to mind right now, where you will find the financial news here. There on the first page, the incoming news. And by the way, this one's right here about the US dollar. This news right here triggered the price on this candle to move 100 pips or 1,000 points. And what you want to do is go on such a website and focus on the news that are high impact news. Usually they are red color, as you can see here on Forex Factory. These are high impact news. These are the news that are expected to move the price a lot, and this is the news you must speculate in order to trade the news profitably. Ignore the yellow news. Will most likely not move the price too much. And ignore the orange news. And if you click on more right here, you will also have gray news. I don't see them right. Not gray news. The gray is actually when the bank, when there is a bank holiday or something like that. When again, not much will happen. So focus on the red news and find the date and the time. And the next one should be Friday, if you don't mind trading Friday, tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. My time, universal, again about the US dollar. So at that time, you should go to a US dollar chart. For example, the same Euro USD, and 1 or 2 minutes before the news release, make sure you also synchronize your time with the Forex Factory time. Place those pending orders above and below the price. And this was how to trade the news manually. Now, if you really want to trade the news, you probably need an expert advisor to do this automatically, much faster. So again, like I said, you enter the right time and don't pay so much for the spread. And you can find it on robotfx.org website. It is on the first page right here, and Expert Advisor looks like this. I will explain to you what the Expert Advisor does compared to manual trading. And you can also go ahead and download it. There is a free version that will work on your demo accounts. It is unlimited, the functionality is unlimited. And if you decide to purchase, it costs only $49. And if you bear with me until the end of the video, I will also show you a coupon to make your purchase even easier. Besides the fact that the Expert Advisor can open the trades much faster and therefore at a better time and paying for a smaller spread, it has other benefits. Like, for example, you can place more than one trade, more opposite trades. You can also delete the opposite orders as soon as the price hits a pending order. And of course, it places stop loss, trades the price, break even, and so on. All the Expert Advisor settings are also available on its page. I'm going to do it again right now and explain to you how it works, and after I'll show a short demo. However, before that, because you have watched until now, I'm going to reveal a coupon that you can use to make this purchase even cheaper. And the coupon is YTVideo10. And if you apply this, you will get a 10% discount. Now, I suggest you keep watching and understand the settings and what the Expert Advisor can do and cannot do. And after that, maybe download a free version and try it before you purchase. Okay, so let's go and explain the settings one by one. And first of all, there's the client email that you can safely ignore if you are trading on a demo account or you are not a client. Well, if you're not a client, you are obviously trading on a demo account. You will not be able to trade on live accounts. If you are a client, you know you have to enter your client email. Next, the most important is the news time that you will have to change, and it must relate to the broker's time, and I'll give you an example right now. Let's go to the Forex Factory website again. Today the date is 18th October, and the time, my time, it's 1:30. Let's refresh this page. Got stuck a little. It's 33 minutes past 5 o'clock p.m. So I don't have any other important, any high impact news for today, unfortunately. But let's assume that I want to trade this news about the US dollar, and that will happen at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. it will be basically 9 p.m. will happen, this news, 3 hours and a half later. Start counting from 5:33 minutes, 9 p.m. Sorry, that will be almost 3 hours and a half, 3 hours and 30 minutes, 27 more precisely. So now we have to go back to the MetaTrader, and by the way, make sure that the Forex Factory time matches your computer's time, otherwise you will get the calculations wrong. So with 3 hours and a half in mind, we'll go to the MetaTrader chart where we have the News Expert Advisor, and here we will see the broker time displayed on the chart, thanks to the Expert Advisor, is 7:30 basically p.m. So 19:30, the news will happen at 9, which is 21, according again to our time. So 19:30 broker's time plus the difference, the 3 hours and a half, that will give you 23. So the news will happen at 23 in the night, of course, 11 p.m. Broker's time. So I hope it's not confusing too much. I think you will get it right after 1 or 2 tries. Very fast again. So the news will happen at this news will happen at the time difference at 9 hours minus 5 hours and a half, which is 3 hours and a half. And 3 hours and a half we must add to the broker's time, which is displayed on the chart, and that will give us 23 hours exactly. So 23 o'clock broker's time, those news will be released. Now, the next settings in the Expert Advisor are the minutes before the news that we want the Expert Advisor to start placing the pending orders. And this is it accepts decimals. So obviously 1 means 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. But if you want 1.5 minutes, which is 90 seconds, you will, of course, have to add to enter 1.5 right here. And this means, well, 1 minute and a half. Now let's leave it to 1 minute. Then we have the delete pending orders minutes after the news. In these settings, it is set to 5, which is 5 minutes. What does it mean? It means that after the Expert Advisor will place the pending orders, if no news will be released, let me, for the sake of these demonstrations, to set the news time to 1937 to see how the Expert Advisor places the pending orders, or 38. 39 to have more time to explain. Also change the chart to M15. All right. So delete the pending orders in minutes after the news means that the Expert Advisor will start deleting the pending orders that have not triggered, possibly all of them, if none of them, if the price didn't trigger any of them, after the news release time, which is now at 1939. Soon it will start be placing pending orders. Then we have the lot size, which is manual. We can enter any lot size that you are willing to risk. And then we have a very important feature, and this is the base of the trading with the new strategy, is the one cancels other, or OCO as short. You have the option to enable OCO or disable it. If it is enabled, it means that if during the news time, if during the news release, the Expert Advisor will trigger any of the pending orders that it placed, either buys or sell, it will, after it will trigger either of these, longs or short, it will start closing the opposites. So basically means if the price will go in one direction, well, obviously you want to close, assuming that the price will go up, obviously you want to close the other trades, and the Expert Advisor will do just that. It will close the pending sales if the price will go up and trigger this first pending buy. Okay, so as you can see, the Expert Advisor placed the trades according to the settings right here, 3 buys and 3 sells, and the distance between them is 5 pips. The distance between each buys and each sells. And I will also explain this right now. And also there is the distance from current price, and this applies to the first pending orders. Pardon me. So if the price was here, that means the Expert Advisor started placing the pending buys and the pending sells 10 pips away, or 100 points as it shows on the chart. And this is given by this input right here. There's the option to place a stop loss. This is in pips from the current price. The stop loss is it's placed according to the distance from the current price when the trade is opened. Also, the possibility to set a take profit, and this is set from the first order, 60 pips from the first opening price. Obviously a trailing stop, which is also a break even. So after the price will go in your favor 30 pips, the Expert Advisor will place the break even, and then it will trade the price according to the trading step, which is set here by 30. and the slippage, which is a buffer, like also a buffer for a trailing stop. I guess it's self-explanatory. And this is it. We are not. It's very easy to explain. It's a very simple to use, but very powerful to trade the news. I'm trying to see now. I would like to show you how the expert advisor closes the news 5 minutes after it placed them, and it should happen another 4 minutes from now. Maybe we don't have time for this. Or if it's not too boring already, bear a little longer, and let's see how the expert advisor will close the trades. And after that, we will also probably end this video again with the invitation to download this and try it on your account, on your demo account. It is free to download. Use the voucher to get it discounted if you pay by card. You can also pay by PayPal, wire, and crypto. And if you have any questions, leave a message or a comment on the website, and we'll be more than happy to answer your queries. I'm going to try to decrease this time. And there it is. 3 minutes after the orders have been placed, the expert advisor deleted them all because now I've changed the time to 3 minutes. And that was because it didn't trigger, it obviously didn't trigger any of them. So 3 minutes after the news, according to these settings, the expert advisor deleted all pending orders. Obviously, the open orders, if any, will be left running, and it will be trailed by the trailing stop and the trailing step. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Try it and let us know what you think.